Hey everyone, welcome to the second video in the Kashmir vlog series. If you haven't seen the first one, where we went to a beautiful trek in Sonmarg, do check out the video by clicking on the I button. In vlog 2, we are on our way to Pahalgam, a hill station in Jammu and Kashmir known for its lush green meadows and pristine waters. The name Pahalgam means village of shepherds in Kashmiri language. The route to Pahalgam is the most scenic one with the beautiful Lidar river flowing next to the road. Pahalgam is rich in greenery in summer season. These trees reminded me of the landscape near Hogwarts in Harry Potter movies. We hired ponies which will take us to the heavenly valleys in Pahalgam such as Dabyan Valley, Kashmir Valley, etc., ending at Baisaran Valley, also known as Mini Switzerland. Another route in Pahalgam is the cab route, which covers spots like Aru Valley and Chandan Valley. Except the path traversed by the horses, everywhere is filled with green and the climate was not too cold and just perfect to enjoy the scenery around. The route of the horse ride is a bit risky with lots of ups and downs, so you might get scared that you will fall down. I was so immersed in the beautiful view around me that I barely thought about falling off the horse. Moreover, Nasser, who was maneuvering the horses, told me that as long as you're brave at heart, you won't fall down. Well, that sounds like a good tip to me. We have finally reached Mini Switzerland, which totally pays justice to its name. Since it's peak tourist season, you can see that the entire place is filled with people. There was a counter to try traditional Kashmiri outfit and take pictures. This outfit is so cultural and gorgeous. Wearing it made me feel so pretty. There was male costume also, but Harry wasn't up to trying it out. It was so much fun to dress up and create some beautiful memories in this beautiful valley. It started to drizzle, so we started our journey back. Looks like the horse is also in a hurry, so it started going quite fast. By this time, we kind of understood the tactics of handling a horse, so you can see Harry going as if it's his own horse. Pahalgam and its serene beauty will always have a special place in my heart. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, do give it a thumbs up. See you in the next video. Bye.